All right, so for this lesson, it's called Where Do I Fit In? And so in the past, we looked up here at different careers that might be good for you. And what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at jobs that are out there. Okay, so you are going to use this CareerWise website and you are going to search for different jobs that you might be interested in, and then answer these questions. You just have to do 2 of these. It's not a lot. So if you click on CareerWise and go out here, this is a Minnesota State CareerWise, so this has information about Minnesota State. And if you search jobs, go over here and just click on search, and you can type in what you're interested in. Okay. You can search all jobs. You can look for something specific. You can type in where you want to live in Minnesota, or you can look at a business finder or salary information, jobs that pay so much. Okay, so that's what you are going to do, is you are going to explore some careers. And once you get those careers, you're going to tell me the salary, the education that's required, and then the demand for those jobs. And it's important that you know the demand of this job, because you don't want a job that's going to be obsolete in a few years. Okay, and then I want a description of your job. What does it look like to do that job? All right, that's it for today.